As a business, you're always looking for more quality leads. So you made a website, and you spent a ton of money getting customers to see it. Because that's how you get more leads, right? Just sit back and watch them roll in. And not exactly. Even though people might be visiting your site, if they don't make contact, you don't know who they are. And if you can't convert visitors into leads, it doesn't matter how many hits you have. Here's the deal. Only 2% of your website visitors will actually make contact with you, which means 98% of people are coming to your website, looking around, and leaving. What if there was a way to know who those people were? Evaluate the services they're interested in and have accurate contact information so that your sales team can develop them into quality leads. You need Lead Forensics. Lead Forensics is a lead generation tool designed to reveal the identity of your unknown website visitors and turn these visitors into hot leads you can follow up with right away. With Lead Forensics, you get complete access to who is visiting your site, what exactly they looked at while there, and how to make contact with them. Lead Forensics delivers all this information through a simple, sleek interface that allows you to easily assign leads to sales team members and access full contact and visitor information, so your sales team can be more empowered and more effective. Stop wasting time and money and start using Lead Forensics. Visit today to set up a free trial.